Hello and welcome to this week's vlog. This week we leave Derbyshire and head towards Marple in Stockport. Oh, we've just been sat having our breakfast and this is our view this morning. Absolutely love this. It's just a shame Anthony has to go to work.
Oh, you might have to hold him, you know.
Okay. It's such a good lad.
Nice. Dad?
Ready to go? Have a look at you. It's a bit better, isn't it, Dexter? That better? We really enjoyed our early morning walk and it was nice to see some movement on the canal. What about this for a family outing? There were that many goslings I couldn't even count them all. Hey Dexter, you've been out there, don't you, lad? Look at this, we're all tidy because we've got friends coming and Anthony's busy in the galley. I've been cleaning the boat. Good job you're here to feed us, Anthony.
It is.
What are you making us?
Pizza.
What kind? Pepperoni?
We're having pepperoni, but our friend doesn't like meat, so
Okay.
she's having vegetarian.
Very nice, what a lovely day. And our plan today is to have a little short cruise up to Bugsworth Basin to fill with water and get rid of our rubbish and then come back to this point. But our friends will be pleased that we're going on a short cruise as well. Ignore the mop bucket, I'm just cleaning the deck. Ah, life's good.
Most definitely.
We've got a very friendly duck who's just flown onto the duck hatch after our friend's pizza. Oh, I better close the duck hatch. This gorgeous cottage is Warfinger House, which is at the entrance to Bugsworth Basin. Come on, lad. So, I'm having to go to the vets with Dexter. He cut his paw the other day, we think. He stood on some glass, so he's been limping a little bit, but he's been licking his paw and it's enormous. It's now twice the size of his other paw. I've managed to get an appointment at the vet. Can't get a taxi, I've no car. I don't want to walk because it's too far for Dexter with his paw as it is. I've rang Pablo and he's very kindly, I keep saying all the time, Carly's coming to give us a lift, so thank you so much, Carly, you're a lifesaver. I'll let you know how Dexter gets on. Come on, pal. Come on, lad. Back from the vets, my phone went out, sorry, otherwise I'd have filmed our return journey. Massive thanks to Carly from Buggy Basin who gave us a lift and waited for us at the vets. I'm just grateful that he could fit us in as well. Thanks Carly, really appreciate the lift. So Dexter, they couldn't find any glass in his paw, but they're not ruling out that he could have some glass, a tiny piece of glass in his paw, but for now they're giving us some anti-inflammatories and some tablets to help with the infection. There definitely is some swelling there. So here's Dexter's medication. What's he on? Loxicon and Cinolox, anti-inflams and tablets for his infection. Bless him, he's limping really bad. I feel really sorry for him. Can you see his left paw though? That one. That's his normal size. Look at that, bless him. Here's the army of goslings again. Patience recuperating. Had a stressful day, haven't you, Dexter?
You're still dog, aren't you?
Well, I've just finished 15 minutes of cardio. You wouldn't think it was possible to do cardio exercise on the narrowboat, but yeah, I found a bit of space just by the fire. I don't think I'll be able to do this in the winter when the fire's lit. But yeah, I've gotten into bad habits recently of checking social media, spending too much time on my mobile phone, looking at TikTok. So yeah, bad habits out the window. I'm now having a 10 to 12 minute meditation in the morning, spending 25 minutes reading my book and also trying to do more cardio exercise. Not every day, but I recently saw a video by Matt Develer and he recommended having no more than a 2-day break. A 1-day break from your new habits. So exercise for 2 days, but take 1 day off. And I'm finding that quite useful. Anyway, it's time to get changed and take Dexter for his walk. Oh, I've just come back from walking Dexter. We've had about a 40-minute walk and he's loads better on his paw. He's only limping slightly, so he seems a lot happier. You can probably hear him breathing in the background. Shattered lad. Hello.
Hi.
Well, we've prepped the boat and we're about to set sail to
Marple.
Marple. Set sail? It's not a sailboat, is it?
No.
We're about to cruise to Marple.
So we're allowed 2 nights there, so we're going tonight and then we're setting off again early Saturday to do the flight. We decided to go tonight because you're at your mum and dad's, aren't you, for Father's Day on Sunday?
Yeah, I should have had a show on Saturday, but that's been postponed because someone's tested positive for COVID, which is a bit worrying.
Well, it's quite gratuitous as well, isn't it? So,
Yeah, but yeah, it gives us more
tested for COVID, but not got a show.
No. So I hope they're well, but it gives us more time to move the boat, doesn't it? And spend time at Marple.
Yeah.
Otherwise, it will have been a bit of a rush. Dexter's waiting to go for his walk. We've done this journey before. It was a gorgeous day. Not so gorgeous
so
tonight,
nice now.
but at least it's dry.
Yeah, for now.
Yeah.
Take care.
No. Yeah. Oh, we're outside the Swizzels factory again. It smells amazing, doesn't it? Yeah. We're not even big fans of sweets, but they smell amazing. Sugar rush.
I don't even know. It reminds me of one of the sweets.
Parmadile, it's like
It's not
Love
Parmadile,
Hearts.
no.
Love Hearts.
No, do you know what it is? Refreshes.
Yeah, it is. Refreshes. Can we stop? Yeah, even though it's a mess inside the boat at the minute, Dexter getting in shot, it still looks inviting.
That's really nice.
I've just been saying, why does it feel more relaxing cruising than it does actually just sat on the boat? Why do you think?
What you said? Because when you're not cruising, you've got stuff to do. When you're cruising, that's all you've got to do.
I know you said.
For more cruising.
Yeah, I know you said, but the viewers didn't know I'd say because I started recording. Beautiful accompaniment to this evening's cruise. Dinner and entertainment.
Dinner and a show.
Yeah. Someone's tired.
I'm really tired.
We're both tired. I slept really well last night, but then woke up about 5 o'clock this morning. At the bottom you scraping it. You need to be over here a bit. Oh, we're just scraping the bank. It's quite shallow here. Pretty bad for us now. We're always like this. Yes, we're trying the bow thruster. Oh, we just got off the shallow bank. Well done, Anthony. It's normally at this point that we bicker. Because I'll say I left a bit. Anthony thinks I'm panicking. I'll just leave him to it now.
That's probably the best.
He's saying that's probably for the best. As Kev would say, thread the needle.
That's the worst Scouse accent I've ever heard in my life.
Hey, people used to think I was a Scouser down south.
I don't think so.
Thread the needle. You're not going to thread the needle here, Anthony. Kev's going to kill me. Beautiful, Anthony.
So what were you saying? It's probably for the best if I just keep quiet.
Yeah.
I think you're right. I think our viewers would appreciate it as well.
Shout lad.
I can't help myself. You may have noticed. Spring jacket's on, but it is. Oh. About 7:30 in the evening. Why is it? It's just so relaxing. Going at this speed. Well, my son's let me take the tiller for a change.
It's only while I stuff my face with crisps.
Oh yeah, Anthony's on his crisps. Just stunning views, isn't it?
Yeah. I'll walk for a bit.
Okay. Yeah, you'll have to go dead slow.
Although the sunset was stunning to look at, it was really difficult to see ahead. We couldn't even see the lift bridge in front, so I walked down the boat to the bow and kept an eye out for Anthony. A boater that we passed had told us that this bridge was actually malfunctioning. It was partly open, as you can see, so we took our time to see if we could squeeze through.
Very narrow.
I know. I'm on your side.
I think we'll just skate through. Just go dead slow in case you hit this.
Is that one machine you saying?
It's probably broke, yeah. Yeah, that's the electronic one, the other one's manual. Yeah.
Why would you not? Spinal motion.
No idea. This was our final lift bridge before we headed into Marple. Well, we just had to moor up after the last bridge before Marple because we got something in the prop. Well, we couldn't find anything. Hopefully whatever it was dislodged when we moored up, so we're off again. Whatever was caught in our prop hadn't shifted, so we decided we'd check it out when we did reach our destination. must be cold. Well, it is cold, isn't it? This boat's got the fire lit. We're getting rather chilly. It's about 9:15. We tried to rescue a blue-tipped chick that fell in the water, and we don't think we managed to save it, bless it. It just went under the water and under some roots.
Watching what you're doing with your boat chips, not smashed into the side. Because it must just be right up against the bank.
Well, after a longer journey than we thought, we'd made it to Marple. It was a gorgeous evening, we really enjoyed our cruise, and it was time to get something to eat.
Okay, it's probably not the wisest thing we've done, but it's 11:30 at night. I'm walking back for the car. It's about a 40-minute walk, but Anthony didn't want me to get up at 5 in the morning and disturb him getting ready for work, so much fun. Oh, what's that? Oh, it was just a horse. It's like the Blair Witch Project. Not scared at all. The noise that I heard before, it's just a horse in a field. It's quite spooky because there are 80 geese looking at me as well. No, not too nervous at all. I'll check my heart rate in a minute. I'm alright until I go past an opening to a woods. That's quite scary. Tell you what, I've just realised I wish I hadn't started reading that book called Canal Pushers. Oh, it's quite scary. There's the canal. Oh. Okay, I'll be honest with you. Because my heart rate's up, because I've been jogging as well. This is quite nerve-wracking. Oh well, I'll see you at the end of the tunnel. Nobody told me about this when we were buying a boat. Oh, I do hope that was an owl. I could hear in the woods. I've just walked past a boat, bearing in mind it's midnight. Bow doors wide open. Music quite loud. He's in the middle of nowhere. Oh, freaks me out. I sort of ran past that boat. Isn't it weird that I'm more nervous walking past more boats than being in the middle of nowhere? Bear Grylls, eat your heart out. Yeah, look, this is what freaks me out, walking past these openings in the wood. Keep going that way. Well, I made it back to the car. I think the scariest moment was a couple of pigs squealing in the field, and they had about 10 or 11 adult geese hissing at me because I was walking past them and their goslings. That was quite nerve-wracking, but I made it in one piece. It's now 20 to 1 in the morning. I'm going to head back to the boat.